Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from Eurostoxx and welcome to 90 at 9. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news that there's been more market turmoil in Europe overnight. Election results in France and Greece have called into question the German-led plan for austerity. Asian markets fell 2.5% and Australian stocks were also down 2% at the end of the day. The New Zealand dollar even fell to a four-month low of 79.1 US cents overnight. Now it has bounced back a bit, it's at 79.5 US cents, and US markets are relatively flat despite the big falls in Asia. European stocks also fell just 0.7%, so what's going on here? Well, many people in the markets believe that François Hollande, the new French president, will essentially back down on his pledges to voters that he would not go ahead with austerity. And also, if he does, some people think this will trigger QE3, more money printing in both America and Europe. However, the oil price fell quite sharply and it's now down 11% since the end of February. Also, UK markets were actually closed yesterday for the May Day holidays there, and French markets will be closed tonight, so we may not have seen the end of the reaction to the electoral results in Europe. Also, bad news out of Spain, where the government there has announced it's likely to bail out the fourth biggest bank there, Bankia. It is the most exposed bank to Spain's property, the bursting of Spain's property bubble. There was the 2010 merger of 7 savings banks, and more than 7 billion euros of taxpayer money will have to be used to bail out that Spanish bank. And finally, Ross McEwan, the New Zealand banker who's been running Commonwealth Bank of Australia's retail arm, will leave Commonwealth Bank of Australia. He's going to run Royal Bank of Scotland's retail arm. He lost out to fellow New Zealander Ian Narev in their battle to take over from the boss of Commonwealth Bank of Australia. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9 from Interest.co.nz.